how to change the cover photo on your YouTube channel on an iPhone or an Android device. Basically how to change the cover photo on YouTube on a mobile device. Normally, if you want to do it from YouTube, you'll be going on YouTube, right? You'll be clicking your profile, then you click on your channel, and as you can see here, right, you have the channel banner or the cover photo, but you can't change it, right? You might think you can from here when you click this bar, but you can't. But there is a way to do it, and it's very simple.
Okay.
All I want from you is to do two things. First, grab a cup of coffee, cause you're awesome. And second, grab my 0 to 10k followers guide. That's absolutely free, and it's in the description down below. It's beginner friendly, by the way. Also, like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. So what you do is you actually go on Chrome, Safari, whatever, and you go on youtube.com. When you do that, you'll be on the mobile version, right? See, there's an M. So what you do is click those three dashes. Again, if you're using another browser, just download Chrome, it's way easier. And just click this request desktop site. If you're on Safari, there's a button you can just hold and you'll be able to do that. So when you click on request desktop site or switch to a desktop version, you have more options that you can actually choose from. And you click on your profile photo and you click on your channel. And what happens is you can see your channel, right? Obviously. And here you have so many options, like the one we actually want, which is the channel art, channel banner, channel cover, whatever, what you actually want change, right? It's right here. And you just click select the photo, choose photo library, browse, whatever. It's the same on Android, and you can change your photo to whatever you like. It's that simple. Again, if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, because it really helps me out. With the YouTube algorithm, we are at this constant fight, and I need your help to beat it. And you know what? I'll shout out your YouTube channel. All I want from you is to comment your YouTube channel down below, what your YouTube channel is about, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. Here are the shout out winners on this episode. We actually have one, and I want to give a more dedicated shout out because he's a friend of mine. He's just started his YouTube channel, has 11 videos and only 13 subscribers. He has no views within the last 30 days. This is his YouTube channel, right here. So help him out. We gotta grow as a community. Go and subscribe, show some love, and remember that a video a day gives the doctor away. This is no financial advice, this is no medical advice. Full disclaimer, do your own due diligence, and by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos. Peace.